Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate this fortune wheel spinner in your game. So as you can see that I have 800 coins and on the go button it says minus 300. So it is the cost of spinning this wheel. So let me spin this and we get 1,000. So the coins are updated 1,500. Now you might experience a little jerky movement of this spinner. This is because due to the frame rate of this video, otherwise the wheel is spinning very smoothly. So after you download this from the link I have provided in the description, you need to do some setup here. So the first one is background, so I have a simple color and no source image in here. And on the form, the source image is bg. You will find all these images inside your folder, so just click on this dot and select the bg. Now after the circle border, you will find a circle border image right here, and then we have a circle, so the sectors image will go here. And in the rewards, nothing. And on the coins, select all the coins and put a coin image that is right here in the fortune wheel images folder. So all of the coins, and on the text assign the font that I have provided, or you can use default Arial font on all these text. And then on the arrow, put the arrow image, and on the fortune wheel button, so here is this button, and coins icon, put the coin icon. Then there is coin amount, so make sure to assign a font if it's missing. Also coins delta, and the last one is turn button. So on that you can see that I have these sprite, pressed sprite. So just put this turn sprite, and on image, source image should be turn button that you will find right here. Now the main thing to do here is on the game engine prefab. So on the game engine you need to assign all of these values. So on the turn button you will simply drag this turn button onto here, and for circle drag this circle game object here. For coins delta you will find this coin delta text right here, and coins amount, here it is. And that's it. And now one another thing is that if you open this script, you can change the reward value in here, and also you can see the public int turn cost variable. You can change it. So right now it is, the turn cost is 300. You can change it. And the last thing is this reward coins method. So after rewarding the coin, this method will actually reward the coin and update the reward text. So you can put any logic that you want to do right here. So you can see that I have printed coins earned and then award coins. So in my game, so let's clear the console. So when I spin the wheel, now after getting the reward, you can see that we are getting the debug message, coins earned 300. So you can put your logic right here. So that's it for this video, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.